got 50 used skateboards from Focused Wood Supply.
I really want to see if I can make something out of them, so let's take the decks to my friend Justin, who has a wood shop.
Let's make furniture out of a skateboard. All right, before we get started, what's up, Justin?
Hey, what's going on? How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
All right, what are we gonna do today? What are we making?
We're gonna take a bunch of broken skateboards and make them into something.
I need a table for my living room, just a small table.
Hell yeah, we can definitely do that for sure.
Let's do it.
We're gonna heat up the grip tape and just peel it off.
Okay, cool.
That does a nice job of getting the adhesive nice and loose.
Yeah.
And then once you start to be able to peel it up,
Oh, wow.
secret little tricks of the trade.
So cool.
Alright, now we just have to do that to all the other ones, and then we can get to scraping and sanding.
Okay, let's do it. The heat gun makes it really hot. Boom, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. I want to bite it. Okay, what's the next step?
Scrape it. You wanna try?
Yeah, you have to do this to every single board.
Yep.
That's insane.
I know.
Oh my God, this must take so long. Okay, this is kind of hard. I'm like inhaling it. Always wear your PPE. People always scream at me for not wearing life protective gear. So they'll like this. That was sick. This is so hard.
The work sucks, but dude, the second you hold the end results, the second you're holding that table, it's all gonna be worth it. I swear to God. I swear to God.
All right, we got the last board done. What's next?
Let's glue these up.
All right, let's do it. Oh, this is so satisfying. This is my favorite part for sure.
Nice. Now we squeeze it all together.
Awesome, let's do it.
If you squeeze this down and I'll squeeze these two down,
Yeah.
it'll all squeeze out of the front.
Okay, let's do it. Oh yeah.
That's a drippy finish.
That's pretty drippy. All right, it's been a couple hours. The glue should have dried, so now let's go get it cut. Okay, time for the reveal. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, look how beautiful that looks. It looks like a piece of candy.
So I'm gonna run it through the bandsaw a bunch of more times, cut it like sliced bread, and then next time you see it, it's gonna be a big piece.
Sweet.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
I'm so stoked. I got the tabletop all set, bringing it to Avery. We're gonna hook her up, get the legs all installed, get it all finished up.
I'm so excited, I cannot wait.
So stoked.
Oh my God, this is insane.
It was cool with the way the shapes of the noses and the tails work, so I ran with that pattern.
Let's get her oiled up and assembled. I want this in my house right now. Secure the legs. All right.
You ready to flip it over?
Yeah, let's do it. Oh my God.
Look at that.
What
Okay.
kind of oil is it?
This is 100% all natural tongue oil. Very strong surface protectant, and being all natural to it, it's really cool. I mean, I wouldn't drink it or anything like that. All right, ready?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Okay, now we're just gonna rub with the grain.
Okay.
Just go back and forth the whole length of the table.
at that color, man. That is actually insane. Dude, I freaking dig it so hard.
Anything you do with skateboards is rad, and then especially as a skater,
Yeah.
like you know what they've been through, you know, and
Yeah.
all the smiles that they've brought and how much fun and joy and everything. It just makes you think, you know.
For sure. All right, guys, the table's done. It looks great. Everyone say thank you, Justin. Thanks, Justin. If you want to come on more adventures with me, don't forget to like and subscribe.